KAUST Core Labs and Research Infrastructure offers the university and Saudi Arabia's research community cutting-edge technologies, expertise, state-of-the-art facilities, and a wide range of training. Now, let's explore the core. The Prototyping and Product Development Core Lab offers space, equipment, and expertise. Working closely with researchers, entrepreneurs, and makers, we help develop ideas, build complex research projects, and create high-quality prototypes from concept to completion. Our state-of-the-art facilities are equipped with cutting-edge rapid prototyping machines, additive manufacturing technologies, precision machining equipment, and advanced electronics instruments. It is our mission to serve the KAUST community, the university's industrial partners, and the high-tech startups available on campus. Engineers in our lab provide technical support, design services, and product development expertise. Utilizing the latest digital modeling technologies and computer-aided design capabilities, we design complex systems and advanced research apparatus. Our team of manufacturing experts provide technical services and support for product development and prototyping. The unique blend of skills and equipment offered include multi-axis CNC machining, laser cutting, and the latest 3D printers for both polymers and metals, making us an essential facility in the region. Electronics and software engineers in our lab provide customized design and prototyping of electronic and mechatronic devices. We specialize in software development and fabrication of electronics, such as instrumentation and motion control, data acquisition, and printed circuit boards, to name a few. Scientific glassblowing specializes in the design, fabrication, and repair of all types of glassware. We have the unique capability to work with both borosilicate and quartz, therefore covering special research requirements. Our scientific welders are internationally certified and offer expertise in the full range of techniques required to support the vast and varied needs of complex research projects. Reverse engineering is equipped with advanced 3D scanning and measuring equipment. We provide dimensional, analytical, and electrical quality inspections. We support the entrepreneurship ecosystem at KAUST and across the kingdom by delivering exciting events, design challenges, and competitions. A wide array of mentorships and trainings are offered. Our successful machinist and glassblowing apprenticeship programs are creating the next generation of Saudi manufacturing experts. In our organization, we take great pride in creating an inspiring environment where researchers are able to achieve their goals, furthering the scientific ambition of KAUST and Saudi Arabia.